saddle-billed stork, the tallest stork in the world. He has chosen this waterhole for a good reason. Catfish circling helplessly in the dwindling pool. Just like taking candy from a baby. But there's a catch. Pirates. A juvenile African fish eagle is learning an easy way to bag a meal. The stork shakes off his defeat and tries again. A potential partner's beady eye is on him. He can't afford to lose face. He usually nips off their spines before swallowing. This catfish is anything but spineless. It escapes, but not for long. The stork's missed his chance, but the eagle's sharp eyes and talons don't miss a beat.